Tips for being an inspiring leader. Being an inspiring leader isn't just about telling people what to do, it's about motivating and guiding your team to achieve their full potential. Start by having a clear vision. As a leader, you need to know where you're going and be able to communicate that vision to your team. Lead by example. Show your team what it means to work hard and be dedicated to your goals. Encourage creativity and innovation. Give your team the freedom to take risks and try new things. Build a positive work culture. Celebrate successes, provide support, and create an environment where people feel valued and respected. Recognize and reward success. Celebrate achievements and provide incentives to keep your team motivated. Develop your team members. Provide opportunities for learning and growth, and help your team members achieve their goals. By following these tips, you can become an inspiring leader and help your team achieve their full potential.